And welcome back to my fellow Malaysian EDC enthusiasts, EDCMY, and today I'm going to unbox a new acquisition of mine, my first ever Spyderco, and I would like to wear it with my other titanium items such as this Citizen Titanium, as you can see there. Yep, water resistant 100 meter, and also my iPhone 15 Pro titanium. Yeah, so Tuesday we have with us Spyderco, which is for me in Malaysia it's hard to acquire one. So let's see what's in the box. It's this piece of paper. We got a product information, nothing else in there. So what else? Spyderco owner, okay. As you can see, yep. Yeah, machine solid titanium scales. As you can see there. Today we have with us the Spyderco McBee, the little one. Yeah. Oops. As you can see, very compact in the hand, and very, I think, quite easy to open. You have this linear lock, titanium scales, compact body, compact blade, perfect fifth pocket knife. As you can see here, it is a Spyderco. This is Taichung, Taiwan, made in Taiwan, as it says the box. Yep, made in Taiwan. McBee, a very beautiful compact knife. This is a Warncliffe style blade, and I have several, not several, I have one Warncliffe style blade inside my alpaca hub pouch here. And just for size comparison, I'd like to show you with the baby banter, the ever reliable baby banter. There you go. And a Kershaw shuffle perhaps. Yep. So let's zoom in a bit. Okay, there you go. Three of them. Look how tiny the McBee or McBee's design compared to the baby banter and also the Kershaw. So this is just a simple unboxing and size comparison to other fifth pocket knife. I hope you would enjoy this video or kind of video. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.